Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 10 benefits of mugwort. Mugwort is a plant with deep roots in traditional medicine and folklore. Found across Europe, Asia, and North America, this hardy herb has been used for centuries to promote wellness, aid in digestion, support women's health, and even offer spiritual insight. Despite its humble appearance, mugwort packs a wide array of natural compounds that deliver therapeutic effects for the mind and body. Here are the top 10 benefits of mugwort and why it remains a cherished herb in both ancient and modern herbal practices. Number 1. Supports digestive health. Mugwort is renowned for its ability to improve digestion. Its naturally bitter compounds help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, gastric juices, and bile. This enhances the breakdown and absorption of food, easing symptoms like bloating, indigestion, gas, and poor appetite. Traditionally, mugwort tea was taken before meals to promote a healthy digestive process and prevent discomfort. Number 2. Regulates menstrual cycles and relieves cramps. Known as a classic women's herb, mugwort helps regulate menstrual cycles and ease period-related discomfort. It acts as an emmenagogue, meaning it promotes healthy blood flow to the pelvic region and encourages the onset of menstruation. Women with irregular cycles, delayed periods, or painful cramps have used mugwort in teas, tinctures, or compresses to find relief. However, it should be avoided during pregnancy due to its uterine-stimulating effects. Number 3. Promotes restful sleep and lucid dreaming. Mugwort has long been used to aid sleep and dreaming. Drinking mugwort tea before bed or placing dried mugwort in a dream pillow is believed to help calm the mind and encourage more vivid or lucid dreams. Its gentle sedative properties make it a popular natural remedy for people suffering from insomnia or restlessness, especially when caused by anxiety or overthinking. Number 4. Eases anxiety and calms the nervous system. In addition to supporting sleep, mugwort helps calm the nervous system more broadly. Herbalists have used it as a natural remedy for anxiety, stress, and nervous exhaustion. A warm mugwort infusion or a soak in mugwort bath water can soothe frazzled nerves, reduce mental tension, and bring emotional balance. This makes it an excellent herb for anyone dealing with chronic stress or sensory overload. Number 5. Provides anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial support. Mugwort contains essential oils and antioxidants that offer strong anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. It has been applied topically to help treat wounds, insect bites, skin irritations, and conditions like eczema. Internally, it can support the immune system and help the body resist infections. Some people use mugwort tea during cold and flu season as a preventative measure or to speed up recovery. Number 6. Boosts liver function and detoxification. Thanks to its bitter compounds, mugwort helps stimulate bile flow and supports the liver's detoxification processes. A healthy liver is essential for filtering toxins, metabolizing hormones, and maintaining overall vitality. Herbalists often include mugwort in cleansing protocols to help reset the digestive system and improve liver function after periods of heavy eating, alcohol consumption, or medication use. Number 7. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Mugwort is commonly used in moxibustion, a traditional Chinese and Korean therapy in which dried mugwort is burned over specific points on the body to warm the meridians and alleviate pain. This treatment is especially effective for joint stiffness, arthritis, and lower back pain. Topical applications of mugwort-infused oils or balms can also help ease sore muscles and localized inflammation after exercise or injury. Mugwort is a versatile and powerful herb with a long-standing legacy in both traditional healing and spiritual practices. Whether used to support digestion, soothe menstrual discomfort, calm the nerves, or enhance dreams, this plant offers a natural, holistic approach to well-being. Its ability to work on both the physical and energetic levels makes it a valuable ally for those seeking balance and harmony in their lives. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to use mugwort with respect and care. It may not be suitable for everyone, especially pregnant individuals or those with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family. Always consult a healthcare provider or a qualified herbalist before introducing new herbs into your routine, particularly if you are taking medications or managing chronic conditions. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video.